Best smart home routines under $100. Automate your home cheaply. Best smart home routines under $100. Automate your home cheaply. Building a smart home doesn't require spending thousands of dollars. With the right approach and budget-conscious choices, you can create meaningful automation that actually improves your daily life for under $100. The key is understanding which routines deliver the most value and which products give you the best bang for your buck. In this guide, we're going to walk through practical smart home automation tips that won't break the bank and show you how to set up routines that save time, energy, and money. The first thing to understand about affordable smart home automation is that you don't need to automate everything at once. Instead, focus on the routines that frustrate you most or waste the most time. Maybe you're tired of manually turning off lights when you leave home. Or perhaps you want your house to feel occupied when you're away for security reasons. These specific pain points should drive your purchasing decisions. When you buy smart devices with a clear purpose tied to a routine you'll actually use, you're more likely to get real value from your investment and stay motivated to expand your system over time. Smart speakers and displays are often the most cost-effective entry point into home automation. Budget-friendly smart speakers typically cost between $20 and $40, and they serve as the brain of your smart home ecosystem. These devices can control other smart home products, play music, answer questions, and run routines automatically. Many people overlook the free smart home automation features that come built into these devices. You can set up routines that trigger multiple actions with a single voice command or at specific times of day, and you don't pay anything extra for this functionality. For example, you could create a morning routine that gradually increases your lights, starts your coffee maker, and reads you the weather forecast, all triggered by a single voice command. Smart lighting is where most people see the biggest quality of life improvement from home automation. The good news is that you don't need to replace every light bulb in your house. Start with 1 or 2 rooms that you use most frequently. Smart bulbs and smart switches are both viable options under $100. Smart bulbs let you change colors and brightness through your phone or voice commands, while smart switches control any bulb you already own. For a tight budget, switches are often the better choice because they're cheaper per light controlled. A single smart switch might cost $30 to $50 but can automate 4 or 5 light fixtures at once. Automation routines around lighting create immediate convenience and security benefits. You can set up a routine that turns on specific lights at sunset when you're away, making your home look occupied. Another routine could turn off all lights in your house with a single bedtime command. Some people create a movie mode that dims living room lights and closes smart blinds if they have them. These routines take minutes to set up through your smart home app and require zero ongoing effort. Once they're active, the time savings and peace of mind add up quickly. Smart plugs are perhaps the most underrated budget smart home device. These small adapters plug into your existing outlets and let you control any device plugged into them through your phone or voice commands. You can grab a reliable smart plug for $10 to $20, and they work with almost any electronic device. This means you can make your coffee maker smart without buying a smart coffee maker, or automate your space heater, fan, or television. Many people set up routines where their coffee maker turns on automatically 5 minutes before their alarm goes off, or their bedroom fan activates at a specific time. Smart plugs also help with energy savings because you can schedule devices to turn off completely during certain hours, eliminating phantom power drain. Security and peace of mind represent another major category where budget smart home routines Deliver real value. A simple smart door lock or video doorbell under $100 can let you unlock your door remotely, see who's at your door from your phone, and create routines that lock your door automatically at night or when you leave home. Even more affordable security options include motion sensors and door sensors that can trigger lights or alerts. These devices create routines that make your home feel safer without requiring expensive professional installation or monitoring services. Temperature control through smart thermostats might seem expensive, but entry-level options exist for under $100. A smart thermostat learns your preferences and can automatically adjust temperature based on time of day or whether anyone's home. You can create routines that lower your thermostat when you leave for work and raise it 30 minutes before you return home. Over time, these routines often pay for themselves through energy savings. Even if you can't afford a smart thermostat right now, many utility companies offer rebates that can bring the cost down significantly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more budget smart home tips, product picks, and setup guides every week.